I have 3,000 followers in Instagram. Is that enough to work brand influencer? I think so, yes. You would be considered a micro influencer. Engagement is going to be super important. If you decide to put together a media kit, or when you do decide to reach out to brands, one thing to share is not just the amount of followers you have, but the amount of likes you have. And tools like Later, which is a scheduled platform, shows you the engagement ratio, the engagement percentage on each post. So if you can show the percentage of the engagement, that would be great. Another free tool that you can check out is something called Hype Auditor. If it's free for one social profile, and it'll give you a general breakdown of your engagement. Useful. So the metrics when it comes to presenting yourself to brands is going to be important. It's enough to start getting brand deals. Don't expect to be getting like crazy amounts of money, but then again, if your engagement is insanely high, like if you're getting like 10% engagement, that's about 300 likes, so to speak. Or if you're getting 10% engagement, I think that's a pretty solid amount, because the thing is, the bigger your audience, the smaller the engagement amount will be. But it's still like 1% of a million is still a lot.